Dear student, do you know what is the full form of Google, Gmail, Wi-Fi, NASA, ATM and GPS? Don't worry. Today I will teach you all this short form. Today I will share with you 117 short form, abbreviation, initial. This will help you in your day-to-day life. So don't waste the time. Let me start. Let's discuss one after one the short form, abbreviation and the acronyms of the word. DIC, District Industrial Center, is part of the MSME promoting the small unit in the areas. IFSC 52, Indian Finance System Code. Generally, when you are going bank, deposit and withdraw, transfer the money, there is a IFC, it means Indian Finance System Code. From this code is unique from the branch. 53 RTGS, real time gross transfer, basically we are using in banking term. Number 54 NPA, non performing asset. After the loan, if the loan is the unit becomes sick, unable to pay the amount, it is become the NPA account, non performing asset. 55 Civil, Credit Information Bureau of India Limited. Civil is a agency, is keeping all the credit history of all the people, and bank is checking the civil. If the civil is okay, the score is more than 700, then he or she eligible for the loan. 56 TDS, tax deducted at source. When you are earning more money, so your employer will deduct some amount, so this is TDS. Number 57 ITR, income tax return. If you are earning more, as per the slab of the ITR, you have to pay the income tax. Number 58 Mudra loan. Generally there is a word Mudra. Mudra full form is Micro Unit Development and Refinance Agency. It is a part of the Reserve Bank of India, started April 2015, helping to the micro unit for refinancing and development. 59 RBI, it is a common word, Reserve Bank of India. Number 16 NGO, non-government organization. These NGOs are helping to society, help people for help themselves. 61 IAS, Indian Administrative Service, that means the people commanding and controlling to the nation. And IPS, Indian Police Service. 63 BSF, Border Security Force. And 64 LAN, Local Area Network, generally it is using in the networking system. 65 MAN, Metro Area Network. And number 66 Wide Area Network. Here I want to say something. The local area network, metro area network and wide area network, the combination of three network, this is WWW, World Wide Web or Internet. This is the mother of all network. 67 M means ambition in mind. So generally people asking to you, what is your aim? M means ambition in mind. 68, some people don't know what is the full form of Google. Its full form is Global Organization of Oriented Group of Yark. 69 NASA, it is National Aeronautic and Space Agency, basically working for space and aeronautics. SIM, you know, we are using the smartphone, there is a SIM inside the mobile. What is the full form of SIM? You can see Subscriber Identification Module. 71 ISD, International Subscriber Dialing. 72 USB, Universal Serial Bus. You know, now due to development of technology, we are using USB port. Generally in the earlier it was the PS2, now we are using the USB. 73 CBSE, Central Board Secondary Education, controlling authority of the secondary education. 74 VAT, Value Added Tax. Now we are not using the VAT, now we are using the GST. GST full form is Goods and Service Tax. That means tax collected from the different product as per the slab. 76 PDF, portable document format. I think you know what is the full form of PDF. it is a format we cannot immediate change this format. Generally, when you are writing something in Microsoft Word, we automatically change and edit, but in PDF we cannot change. Number 77, BIOS, it means basic input output system. Generally, it is used in computer. Number 78, COD, cash on delivery. Generally, it is using in online, Amazon, Flipkart. When you are purchasing something, that time you are using the word COD. 79, DRAM, dynamic random access memory. It is the internal part of the CPU or using basically for the accessing the computer. 80, ROM, read only memory. It is a part of the CPU, that means RAM and ROM. It is read only memory and random access memory. Serial number 81, IIT, Indian Institute of Technology. That means it is a higher department technology, IIT. EMI, equated monthly installment. I think when you take loan from bank or any agency, you have to pay the monthly installment. This is equated monthly installment. Number 83, IPC, Indian Penal Code. That means in the judicial or in the crime branch, this is the IPC. 84, MMS, Multimedia Message Service, used in ITC, that means IT Information Technology. Number 85, NSTL, National Security Depository Limited. It is the part of the Government of India for the security and the Department of Income Tax. OTG, on the way. You know there is a OTG card. The full form is on the go. ECG, electrocardiogram. Basically, it is a medical term. ECG. Number 88, TIN, tax information number. In the company, public and private limited company, there is a number TIN. It means tax information number. Number 89, EPF, Employee Provident Fund. When every month the employer deducted some amount and deposited in the PF account, so it is Employee Provident Fund. FIR, First Information Report. Generally, when there is something happen, when you inform to the police station or SHO, this is the FIR, First Information Report. LED, lighting, emitting diode. Nowadays LED is famous, so you can understand what is the meaning of LED, lighting, emitting diode. OS, operating system. The PC and the laptop and the smartphone, there is some OS, means operating system. 93, this is smile. So there is a full form of smile, sweet memories in the lips expression. So this is the smile. Number 94, ASAP. Generally, when you are sending the mail, there is you are sending please ASAP. It means as soon as possible. F2F, face to face. Due to the COVID and due to some lockdown, shutdown, now many things is happening, not happening in F2F. That means face to face. 96, B2B, business to business. There is some program, seminar, inviting people. It is a B2B. That means business to business. Number 97, FAQ. After the meeting, after the seminar, there is an FAQ. Frequently asked question. Number 98, WFH. Work from home. Now it is a new word after the lockdown and shutdown. Number 99, DM. District manager or direct message. Some people are sending please DM. DM means direct message to me. Number 100, ISI, Indian Standard Institute. This is a standard institute. So this is the short from ISI. 101, RTO, Regional Transport Office. Every district or in the regional level there is an RTO office. So its full form is Regional Transport Office. Number 102, BDO, Block Development Officer. It is a state cadre civil service person. He managing the local area. Number 103 RTI, Right to Information. There is a Right to Information Act. By this act you can collect information from any government department. Number 104 FYI, for your information. Generally you can see the FY in the email and drafting purpose. And number 105 RSVP. I think when you receiving the invitation letter or any invitation, in the below of the card there is RSVP. It is a friends page. So it meaning is please respond, please reply, or please contact to this person. This is RSVP. Number 106 HMRD. Ministry of Human Resource and Development. It is a part of the Government of India. Number 107 COVID. You know COVID-19. What is the full form of COVID? Coronavirus disease. Number 108 news. News means north, east, west, south. It is that means four sign of the corner. Number 109 bye. After the meeting we are saying bye. So what is the full form of bye? Be with you every time. It is the short form of bye. Number 110 CCTV, closed circuit television. You know CCTV. So CCTV full form is closed circuit television. 111 WHO, World Health Organization. You know the word come due to the COVID and due to the corona. WHO taking the decision. So WHO means World Health Organization. Number 112 UNICEF. I think you listen the name of UNICEF. UNICEF full form is United Nations Integrated Children Education Fund, and it is the part of the nation. So they are providing fund to in different social activities. Number 113 IE and EG. IE means that is and EG means for example. Generally when we are drafting something, that time we are using IE and EG, that is or for example. EG means for example. Number 114 PFA means please find attachment. When we are sending the mail, that time we are mentioning the short form PFA. Please find attachment. Number 115 POK. It means Pakistan occupied Kashmir. There is some area occupied by Pakistan, so the area is POK. Or there is also another term LOC, line of control. Number 116 MOU. MOU means Memorandum of Understanding. We are telling we have the MOU with the bank, we have the MOU with this organization. So MOU means Memorandum of Understanding. And this is the last, not the least, because all these things we cannot cover in the videos. I can take in the next part of this video. So 117 ABC. Always be careful. Dear student, I hope you like this video. I share 117 short form. I think this will help you in your day-to-day life. Please like, subscribe and share this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, bye bye.